What's good, YouTube? It's early in the morning. I got a package. I'm trying to be quiet. My wife's asleep. It's early in the morning. I just got this package, and we gonna see what it is. As you can see from Cosmo Prof. Did y'all need to put all this paper in there? Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go. I've been waiting for these. Okay, look. The package is different from the other ones, obviously. You got the black joint. 1 year warranty, accessories, all that. Come with the same stuff. Now to get these, you can only get them if you order through Sally's, Cosmo Prof, or Salon Centric. Manual, of course. Boy, these smell new. Oh! Alright, look. This is chrome. This ain't no just silver. This is chrome. These are nice. Oster fast feeds. You can only get these black ones through Salon Centric, Cosmo Prof, or Sally's. Alright, so that's the clipper. You open the box. This joint. You know, you got the same thing you get in all the rest of them. Guards, oil, your cord. You got your dock. So I'm about to take these to the shop right now. And we gonna test them out. And I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. Cause I've been hearing a lot of stuff and it don't sound. I've been hearing a lot of bad, a lot of good. We gonna see, man. We really gonna see. I've been waiting a while for these too, so yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all at the shop. So look. This is the box. Cordless fast feed. The performance you expect now. Cordless, finally. You know, lithium-ion battery, quiet motor, adaptive speed control. We'll see. Yeah, same old. What's crazy is in this picture, it does not look like chrome. If you can see that, right? This is literally like, you got the black fin. Oh, you got a black blade on this joint too. Let me see. You got a black blade on this joint too. Wow. And a black cutting blade. That's crazy. Okay, so this is really chrome. Like crazy. And then you got the black. This is the matte black. See, it doesn't look as big from the side. It does look a little bulky. I like it. It feels good in my hand. See, I thought all this would be kind of what the lever looks like, what the handle right here looks like. I thought it was like this kind of silver, but this is chrome. Man, let's get in here and try this out, man. I want to see what it's like. It's dope that it's got a black blade. That's fire. Black blade and black cutting blade. Oh yeah, we're gonna try these out right now. So we at the end of the day. I just wanted to show y'all. I like them personally. I like them. They don't get hot, and you can zero gap them now. So if you can see, you can actually zero gap them all the way without putting a ceramic blade on it. The battery life ain't all that. Hey, so with the battery life, I think I'm gonna just get 2 pair and then run with that. But they do open up quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that one versus that one. Like even with that one closer, you can see
I think it's easier to fade with them, to be honest. The battery life is not all that. These are pretty light compared to these, the corded ones. I mean, it's a little bulkier, of course. To me, the corded sounds quieter. I have seen videos where the corded sounds louder. All in all, after one day, I like them. This is the first cordless clipper that I have that I actually like. I will be grabbing more soon, so be on the lookout for them videos. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all like them, if y'all don't like them. If you got any questions about the black ones, I can send links or whatever y'all need. Let me know. Leave a comment about what you think, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Like and make sure you subscribe. Peace.
My wife's sitting here watching me, right?
You don't have a wife.
Excuse me? You're interrupting my video. Thanks. Alright, so look, I'm biased. So,
What are you talking about?
why you all in my business? Look, I'm biased, so I like the fast feeds. That's what I started cutting with. That's what I learned to cut with. I mean, of course, I'm going to like them. You know, I've been using them for years. But I realized the lever it opens up so wide that I get lost sometimes. So that is a flaw, and I will openly admit that. That's one of the issues I had with it. The battery, it worked, but I mean, I only got halfway through the day using it. I mean, that could be an issue. Maybe I need two. We'll see. But other than that, I like them. I figured I would already. I had to check on those JRLs, and there's a couple other things I want to check out. But that's my review. That's my opinion. It's my first impression. Things of that nature. That's it. I'll see y'all in the next video.